Hello and welcome back to the Yummy Vibes. Today we are making mini chocolate cookies, healthy, tasty, and made with just three ingredients: no sugar, no gluten, no dairy, no oil. Just clean, simple goodness. We'll start with 1 cup or 70 gram of walnuts. Now take 8 dates and gently remove the little crown on top. You know, that dry bit no one really wants to bite into. To soften them up, soak the dates in hot water for 4 to 5 minutes. It also helps get rid of any dust or stickiness from the skin. Now drain the water and remove the seeds. Next, grab a mixer or a grinder jar. Add the walnuts, the softened dates, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Close the lid and grind it really well. Once it's done, just look at the rich chocolatey paste. Thick, smooth, and full of flavor. Scoop it out. I've used a wooden chakla, but any clean surface works just fine. You might see a bit of oil on the surface. This is the natural oil from the walnuts, nothing extra added. That's what makes this recipe so clean and wholesome. Honestly, it tastes amazing even like this, almost like a fudgy energy bite. Now shape the mixture into a roll or a log. Cut it into small pieces. These are your mini chocolate cookie coins. Take each piece, roll it gently, and flatten it with your fingers into a cute little coin shape, perfect bite sized treats. Bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. And there you go. Your super yummy mini chocolate cookies are ready, packed with natural sweetness and healthy fats. No sugar, no gluten, no oil, no dairy. Just dates, walnuts, and cocoa. That's it. If you want them a little sweeter, you can drizzle some honey or maple syrup on top while serving, which is totally optional. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button, share it with someone who loves clean snacking, and don't forget to subscribe to the Yummy Vibes for more simple and delicious recipes.